Hello folks, this is another review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Messerschmitt Bf 109 in 1:48 scale by Tamiya. I finished this kit a few weeks ago. It actually garnered quite a lot of attention. I posted some photos of it on Reddit and it went viral. And if you have seen, in the extremely slim chance that you have actually seen that post, I just want to say thank you for all the upvotes. I was never expecting it to get that many likes. I posted some photos of it on my Instagram as well, so if you want to check that out, I will link it in the description below. This kit, what can I say? It's a Tamiya kit. Absolutely fantastic. No problems building it. It basically built itself. The paint scheme is very good. Now this kit is from 1995, either 1994 or 1995, and I think it is a new tool. So, oh gosh, the wire broken. It's fine. I'll fix it later. So this kit took me a few weeks to build because I took my time building it because I wanted to get it right, because this is one of those things where I just want to leave on a shelf. And it paid off. I think it was really good. It turned out a lot better than I expected. I did some panel line washes as well, and mostly enamel, except for the canopy, which is acrylic. And the cockpit has relative detail, not that much, but it's good enough detail. And the prop does move, by the way, which is good, because I know I sometimes glue a lot of my props because I just don't bother with them. One thing to note about this kit, it does come with proper German insignia, so if you're interested in that, that's good to know. I personally prefer historical accuracy. I think Hobby Boss is like that as well, so I've done a review of their kits. I have no bad feelings about this kit. It's really good. Absolutely fantastic. I'd even recommend it for beginners. It is quite detailed, like I said, but I'd still recommend it for beginners because it just built so well. It really did. I used that technique of melting a piece of sprue and pulling it apart to get this suspension cable, or whatever it's called. All in all, I think it was an absolutely fantastic kit. Some good lighting there. Fantastic. I really liked it. Yeah, I don't really have anything much else to say about this. I did do some chipping and slight weathering in some places. I admit I didn't really put much thought into it because I don't really understand weathering very well. It is something that I'll have to get better at. It's something I'm going to be working on, so yep. That's all I really need to say about this kit. No problems with it whatsoever. It is a little bit too detailed in some places. If you know me, I generally like the painting and the decal work. I don't really care too much about the building process, which is probably why I'm not going to be building very many Tamiya kits from now on. And I might stay away from Edouard as well, but I might just build one just for the review. But all in all, in saying that, I think it was an absolutely fantastic kit. Alright folks, that's going to be it. There's nothing really more to say. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a like. And I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.